In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount line on invoices or create a discount item in products and services. This will help you offer discounts to your customers while ensuring your invoicing remains accurate and professional. With these simple steps, you'll be able to customize your invoices to reflect any discounts you want to offer. Let's start by discussing how to add a discount line on an invoice. First, when you have your invoicing application open, begin by navigating to the Create Invoice section. It's important to get a clear view of the interface you're working with. Once you're ready, locate where you typically add line items for products or services. Here, you're going to add a new line specifically for your discount. Instead of adding a product or service, click on the line where you would usually enter an item and select the option to add an adjustment or discount. This is usually available in the drop-down menu of item types. Key in the word discount, and then instead of a positive amount, you'll enter the value of the discount as a negative amount. This will automatically subtract from the total, clearly indicating to your customers how much they're saving. Make sure to also include any notes or a description indicating why the discount is applied. This gives clarity and transparency which your clients will appreciate. It might be a seasonal promotion, a loyalty bonus, or a first-time purchase discount. Whatever the reason, make it clear and concise so there is no confusion. Now let's talk about creating a discount item in products and services. This approach can be particularly useful if you frequently offer discounts and want a quick way to apply them without manually entering the information each time. Start by accessing the Products and Services section of your software. Usually there's an option to add a new item. You'll want to create an item named Discount or something similar that makes sense for your business. When you set up this item, you'll enter the default amount of the discount, again as a negative value. For example, if you commonly offer a 10% discount, calculate what that would amount to in terms of currency and enter it accordingly. Remember to mark the item type as a discount so that it functions correctly when added to invoices. Once your discount item is set up in products and services, you can easily select it when creating future invoices. Its default settings will apply automatically, saving you time and effort and ensuring consistency across all your transactions. By creating a dedicated discount item or adding a discount line manually, you make it easy to manage and track the deductions you offer. Your customers will appreciate the transparency, and you'll have clear records of how discounts impact your sales. As a final tip, make sure you regularly review and adjust your discounts in line with your business strategy to maximize their effectiveness. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and now you're ready to offer discounts with confidence and ease.